Hey guys, welcome back to day 5. This is Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance, your favorite financial educator and business coach. And today we're going to break down to you how to create your own bank, right? Now, if many of you never know this before, did you know that the bank currently invests a lot of their money? Well, not their money, well, a lot of your money that you are deposited in their banks. And they have put it in bank-owned life insurance. It's called BOLI, BOLI, bank-owned life insurance. Now, you may wonder and think, why would the bank put their money in life insurance? I thought life insurance for when you die. I thought life insurance for, for days when I'm no longer going to be here and my families would get something. And that's where many people confuse life insurance for final expense insurance and final expense insurance for when you die, life insurance for when you're living because it carries a lot of living benefits. That's why it's called life insurance. See, one of the things I've learned about the wealthy for all these years is that they don't hide their secret. They put it in plain sight. And 9 out of 10 times they put it in a book because most of us won't read one. And this is where I want to show you, why does the bank use life insurance for their biggest portfolios, and why you should learn how to use the right life insurance as well to do the same for you and your family. Now, let's talk about what owning your own bank should sound like. Well, when you think about owning your own bank, why do you think the bank own life insurance? It's because they want to put themselves in a position where they can make money, save the money, grow the money, and more importantly, protect the money. Now, your money, right? Your money got to be doing all that at the same time if you want to build wealth. So you got to think about creating your own bank. You got to learn how to create your own bank. Why do you think we talk about saving? We talk about that 10%. Where do you put it? Where do you put it? You put it and you start create your own bank. You got to own your own bank. Create your own bank-like system. Now, there's a great book. There's a great book that I encourage you guys to read. It's a book called Infinite Banking. I will highly suggest you read that book. If you don't have it, reach out to me and I'll make sure I send you the PDF. There's another book, second book, The Richest Man in Babylon. I would also suggest you to read that book. And then another book I want you to read. It's called Saving Your Future. That book also is a great book to read because once you understand the fundamentals of creating your own bank, how incredible that it'll be. See, when it comes to life insurance, guys, many of you don't know. There's many kinds of life insurance. There's life insurance that's called term insurance. There's life insurance called whole life. There's also life insurance that's called universal life. There's life insurance that's called VULs, also stands for verbal universal life insurance. There's accidental insurance. There is index universal life insurance, also known as IULs. So as you can see, life insurance comes in many, many, many different types. And that's why it's important for you to know what is important for you. Is it suitable and is it affordable? Now, when it comes to creating your own bank and saving your money, and you want to make your money grow and protecting your money, you could use life insurance as well as another strategy to do that. Because let's talk about the 4 things that life insurance, the right cash value life insurance, because term insurance can't do this, all right? And most whole life can't either. It's an index universal life insurance. It's called an index universal life insurance. So what are the 4 things an index universal life insurance can give you? Number 1, it gives you the ability to have growth, a growth of up to 15% monthly compound interest that you can earn. So this means that you have the earning potential of gaining 15% compound interest on your money on a month-to-month basis. So if the market does 20%, the most you can make is 15. If the market does 5, 10, 15, 20, that's what you will also receive. Now, if you're able to get safety as well within the market, you'll be able to get 0.75% as safety. That means that anytime the market goes down, you never lose money, guaranteed to never lose. And you also get protection against any terminal illness, chronic illness, critical illness. And here's the best part, a lot of tax advantages. Tax deferred income means you do not pay taxes on the gains. Tax-free withdrawals when you need the money, tax-free loans when you need to borrow against the money, and tax-free inheritance for your beneficiaries where they don't have to worry about any estate tax. That's what makes it so awesome. And what we like to do is to do an illustration for you and see which company works best for you and help you to get qualified. This is what it's all about. Let's show you how to put together your own bank and put you in a position to start winning. All right. So I'll see you guys at our next session. And this is where we help you to put together and start show you how to create your own bank. All right, guys, be great, be awesome. Always remember you're one decision away from changing your future for the better. So always remember that the choice is always yours. My name is Keyon Corniffe, also known as Mr. Finance. And always remember you're one decision away, always one decision away from changing your future for the better. All right, see you guys later. Bye-bye.